morning, kids. Today we are going to study. Are you ready? Let's go. Today we are going to study about letter P. Say P. P, P, P. P, P, P. The sound of letter P is P. 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 Ready? Let us sing the sound of the letter P. One more time. Are you ready? Let us sing again. Okay. The sound of the letter P is P, P. One more time. P, P, P. Very good. Now, let us go to vocabularies. As you can see, we have P, P, pig. Everybody say P, P, pig, pig. This is a pig. Do you know what is a pig? So, this is a pig. And these are the meat that comes from the pig. Do you like to eat pork meat? The pork meat comes from the pig. Next, p, p, pen. P, p, pen. This is a pen. We use pen to write. We use pen to write. Next, p, p, pot. P, p, pot. This is a pot. Do you know what is the use of a pot? Yes, we cook food or soup in the pot. Letter P. P, P. Letter P. P, P. Pig, pig. Pen, pen. Pot, pot. Again. Pen, pig, pig. Pen, pot. Very good. Now, letter matching. Let us match the picture with the name. Please read first. What is this? Pen, pig, pot. Pen, pig, pot. Now, let's go with the pen. Where is the pen? Where is the pen among the three? Pen, very good. Next, pig, pig. Where is the pig? Can you point your fingers? Okay, very good. Next, where is the pot? Good job. Can we say it again one more time? Pot, pen, pig. Pen, pig, pot. This is letter P. Very good, kids. See you again next time. Goodbye.